Hello viewers or subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Lyngz.
Haka step jongka arp santarik uremphang arjar arposan. Uwei briew ya ubala tip kerteng da udata traya ramdas gade. Ula Batbor ya kawe ke Kynthei. Kabdang arp snem. Hapoh ka bos kabdang sange. Kane ka jingja kala jaha station boss. Hapune. Haka puar san sopsan minstep. Hadu riewbam minstep jongka arp santarik uremphang. Arjar arposan. Nakaliang jongka police department. Kalau pak hadu khatlaikan hun ki pulit bantuet ya ubreu ubale ya kaneka kam hadin laisni ki pulit kala yo kem yu data traya gade haswa jongka step haka por shibaje siteng hapune haka we ka jaka balakhot kerteng daka shrirur tesel tungina skap dia tika jingat jong we ubreu haka punko chapang kaneka jingja.
Police and Pune crime branch in this entire situation. A 72 hours manhunt was successfully delivered by Pune police in this entire matter. There was different teams which was made by Pune police and crime branch. Total number of 13 teams were made to find this rape accused who has raped a girl in Pune. Now when he is arrested yesterday today early morning by 1:30 from Khyrwait. So there will be a court proceeding today and he will be produced before the Pune court in this entire matter.